From the timber industry to metal forming and beyond, existing users of hydraulic cylinders and hydraulic systems are taking advantage of a growing availability of reliable electromechanical actuators to improve and optimize many of their existing processes. These users had many reasons to convert to an electric solution, including reducing total equipment footprint, minimizing the risk of environmental impact, and process improvements to increase throughput or product quality. The benefits that electric actuation has had on the total cost of ownership and return on investment further justified their conversion. However, converting hydraulics to an electromechanical system requires forethought, planning, and attention to detail to ensure that these new components are appropriately sized and selected. Utilizing motion control sizing software as a guide when making the transition to an electric actuator can be the difference between an optimized system or one that may never live up to its expectations. To avoid oversizing the actuator, it is important to know that your system requirements are based on measured data rather than determining them from the maximum capability of the current hydraulic setup. Oversizing an actuator will often lead to an increased system cost and negate some of the benefits to replacing hydraulics. When determining system requirements and taking pressure measurements, there are several key factors to consider which will ensure a smooth, efficient transition into an electric solution. With over 60 years of experience in the motion control industry, Tolomatic has the know-how and expertise to help you understand your system requirements. Tolomatic can provide a solution to replace your existing hydraulic cylinders in a package that is right-sized, efficient, precise, reliable, and provides the lowest total cost of ownership and return on investment for most budgets. To further help with this process, we have a complete education page designated to cover many of the different topics and questions surrounding converting hydraulics to electric actuators. Our educational landing page contains the resources you need, conversion tools, white papers, technical presentations to help with the conversion process. We also have our regional and technical teams available to answer your questions on converting hydraulics to electric actuators. Let Tolomatic be your resource for all of your electromechanical actuator needs.